AM Hospital psychiatry department worked with us. We were looking at medical health that youth have no way forward because they have not completed education. And that gave us the key about school dropouts. Last 100, 200 years, women have been suppressed. So these girls are aspirations. So, and mothers are encouraging them in their own quiet way. 500 रुपए में नर्स बनने वाली है तो कर दे दो. We have to fight the society. Yeah. Because there are labels attached to these women. Anantnag, where two young doctors who had a hospital, they said, आप सिखाओ बेसिक, बाद में हमारे हॉस्पिटल में लड़कियां आके एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिकली करें. वाह. The scope is immense for any NGO with passion, a focus, and honesty.
Kishore told us something interesting that 70% of his respondents are women. I think that's very creditable. And I would like to see the person who is behind that is now we want to hear. Brunal, please tell us about what you did for women and in particular nursing. I think these are most needed thing. I have heard something very interesting. They say India needs 4 times more nurses than doctors.
Yes. I'm Mrinalini Kher, Honorary Secretary and Trustee of this organization called Kherwadi Social Welfare Association, which is in its 97th year. And we'll be soon reaching 100. And Yuva Parivartan, which Kishore and I co-founded,
Great.
was in 1998. It is 27 years old.
Yeah.
And a lot of water has flown.
Yes.
And I've become richer and richer in experience. Nothing like really living it compared to
Wow.
studying it.
Yes.
And you become what you imbibe through experience. Nobody can touch that. And nobody can ever cover it in books.
Yeah.
What you have gone
That's
through.
why we want
And
you.
every experience is applicable all your life. If the experience was in 1998, it can be still applied in 2028 because people, you are dealing with human beings और उनके जो समस्या है वही है. So I always say कि after 100 years also if we come down, Yuva Parivartan can still survive because
yes.
the problems of youth will continue. That is what I always say.
Now come to focus on your area of nursing.
So what happened was the whole key to this was selecting the cause. We were looking at medical health, then we were looking at with handicapped, and then a little small survey showed us that there were lots of organization in these two fields. So where do we take Kherwadi forward? Because the organization was in income generation and small Balwadi and all that. I had gone through all that and I found it was no challenge. You just call for a meeting, put it on the blackboard, and women and children would flood the hall. 300, 400 women was very easy. So then as though we came upon school dropouts. Lot of youth hanging around right from the age of 7, 8 to 20, 25 doing nothing. So that brought us through a lot of chatting with children and all that, that youth have no way forward because they have not completed education. And that gave us the key about school dropouts. We took a lot of time going to the economics and departments to get that numbers. But it was a staggering 350 million of India's youth were out of school and dropouts, and that is below the age of 25.
I think that's a very interesting number to remember.
That was shocking. And I said, this Yuva Parivartan kind of...
350 million unemployed below the age of 25. I think that number should not be forgotten.
Yeah. And that today with all those...
half women, Half women.
Yeah, would be. But women were not considered because they were meant to be do housework,
Yeah.
get married. So there was not much investment in women. The investment was
That
more
is
for the boy
very tragic.
because that was how it was. Now there's certain surge of women coming, girls, whether they were Muslims or Hindus or from the village or urban. I questioned that. Why are the girls so aspiration? And the funny thing it came is not, it's nothing to do with the present times. It is with the past history for generations.
Oh, very,
Last
very
100,
important.
200 years, women have been suppressed and not meant to be. Now the mother has aspirations for her daughters. And the daughter says, मुझे मेरी माँ का काम नहीं करना
अरे
है,
वाह.
मुझे कुछ अलग दिखा बनाना है और दिस इज माई ओनली अपॉर्चुनिटी. जब शादी हो जाएगी तो अगेन आई विल बी लॉक्ड इन द हाउस.
अरे वाह.
तो ओनली चांस आई हैव इज बिफोर
Now.
मैरिज एंड देन दैट कैन बी कन्वर्टेड आफ्टर मैरिज. सो आई गिव यू वन वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. हमारी लड़की ने एक टेलरिंग कोर्स किया था. वही सेफ था कि लड़की टेलरिंग करेगी तो वो आपका खुद का पैसा कमाएगी एंड शादी के बाद भी वो भी करेगी, कहीं भी जाओ वही करेगी. तो दैट was example was that a girl who had done her course in the 2000 came in about 2015 from Bihar and she said मेरा सर्टिफिकेट खराब हो गया, नया सर्टिफिकेट दीजिए. ऐसे क्यों? तो बोली शादी हो गई, बच्चे हो गए और सास बोल रही है तू क्या घर में बैठ के कितना खाना पकाएगी, थोड़ा सा कुछ कमा. तो वो बोला सर्टिफिकेट किधर है, आप सिलाई ये गांव में मोंगेर या कुछ था, पटना से बहुत दूर. तो उसको उस उम्र में उस टाइम पे लगा कि सर्टिफिकेट की ज़रूरत है. शी केम बैक, वी टुक अ स्मॉल re-exam, gave her a fresh certificate for a small money, in those days 100 rupees. And then this I experienced with nursing also. When they do it, it is maybe time pass. पर उसकी ज़रूरत कब न कब आती है ज़िंदगी में. So these girls are aspirations. So and mothers are encouraging them in their own quiet way, not the father.
Yeah. अरे that's
क्योंकि वो बोलता है उसको शादी करना है, उसके बच्चे होना है, ये कोर्स क्यों उसको कर. दूसरा था कि फीस बहुत कम थी. चलो
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
हाँ 500 रुपये में नर्स बनने वाली है तो कर दे दो. नॉट दैट ही थिंक्स शी इज गोइंग टू गेट एम्पावर्ड और शी इज गोइंग टू गेट अ जॉब. वो नहीं है, 500 रुपये है ना, करने दो. So that was another story about
What is normally cost of nursing college?
in those days when I was when we started in 1995, the one school in Dadar was taking 20,000.
Okay.
And
What
now
would
it's
be
gone
now?
to 40,000 to 1 lakh for a certificate course of 6 months.
But regular graduate nurses got much
Oh,
more.
that is long because that is you have to be 12th science and then after science you have to get above 75 and then get admission into BSc nursing.
BSc nursing. They are the
Now,
high qualified. No?
Those days there were only 5 colleges: JJ Poddar, SNDT, KEM, and one more. So only 5 graduate nursing colleges were there.
Do they have a lot of demand?
Pardon?
Do the seats have a lot of demand?
Yeah, big demand, and but it's expensive. You are locked in for 3 years of your life, and a lot of money has to be spent. So only those.
So poor women can't afford this.
Yeah, I mean, there might be schemes of the government to give you a whatever, some scholarship. I don't know. So this was para auxiliary nursing or para nursing.
But would they be getting the reasonable salary afterwards in jobs in hospital, etc.?
Yeah, it is slow growth. Even I had a big doctors like Dr. Lele and Dr. Chabria who were heads and directors of big hospitals like Jaslok, you know. But they said, Jarurat hai. Even I went to municipality, the chief of health she said, do it. Don't worry about certification. इसको इतनी जरूरत है.
अरे वाह.
And I said, तो चलो 95 में शुरू किया. 4 बैचेस, सुबह में 2, ओनली इन खेरवाड़ी. It took us another 10 years to take it all Maharashtra. And now anywhere a center opens, even in Kashmir में बहुत ज़रूरत है.
Yeah. See?
Because doctors मिलते नहीं हैं और बर्फ़ होती है. And they are in the villages near the Pakistan border. Even there we have had girl students who do nursing.
Can they deliver a child independently?
No. But learn it on the job.
Acha.
So
okay.
our course started with 3 महीना theory, थोड़ा सा minimum practicals and 3 months in the OJT. And that on-job training is the key to everything.
And they do injections and all that. No?
No, there's no need of. We started with all those things. English आना चाहिए, English आना चाहिए. Then we realized कि English की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग बोलो और बाद में आप हिंदी बोलो तो किसी को लगता है क्या स्मार्ट मुलगा था, अरे कितनी छान इंग्लिश पता है. गुड we think
Very smart way of
yeah,
looking at
because
it.
we think when we go to a mall and he says good evening ma'am,
that's enough.
yeah, that is enough for.
And then you have to have job knowledge. Then you carry on with
So
that.
that is how
Very,
we realized that
very
we started
interesting.
with all those English courses. But we have taken from first year of school to the SSC, 10 years, 11 years we learned
But can
English.
we not enrich your schools so they can do more education, nursing, more advanced, not exactly the same
No,
as...
that happens on the job.
I see.
I tell you, a 12th standard girl, now we are getting graduate girls who are dropout graduates who are doing nursing course.
But normally allow 12th standard students. isn't it?
No, you
Then-
won't believe. I started with 7th fail. You know, it is fail, not
Yeah.
graduate. 7th fail, बाद में 8th fail, बाद में 9th fail. अभी तो सब पास ही होते हैं. Whether you know anything or not, you already got your 10th. Because they are pushing them to pass. And every school has a
Yeah.
rule है.
The rule is
सबको
pass
pass
कर देगा.
करो. So हो जाता है. And then they learn. And if a 12th girl was doing what is those scans. So
That's very good.
they depend on the hospital or the nursing home. They learn everything. My first batch, I didn't know where to go. I went to the Kherwadi Municipal Hospital. They came back after 3 months and we then do the examination. Because otherwise they will disappear.
Yeah.
So we do on-job
Oh, I see.
training and come
And
back
then
and do
exam.
the
I see.
examination,
Very good.
Viva and whatever. 50 marks ka Viva, 50 marks ka paper examination. और she said, मैडम हमको तो डर लगा, पहले दिन ही डिलीवरी के थिएटर में गए. तो आई सेड क्या किया? नहीं मैडम पहले 2 टाइम बहुत डर लगा, बाद में आदत हो गई. So it depends. The condition is so severe about shortages that the doctor starts using. I asked Purandari.
हाँ.
And he said, आओ वो वॉचमैन की बेटी है ना, उसको हम नर्स बना.
Very good. Very good.
आपकी 3 महीने सीखती है.
It
That
is a
is more
great
than enough.
social uplift.
So imagine the condition that you are putting your health in these children. But anyway, that started it all. Then we went in.
How many students are there in Mumbai and the whole India?
I have no idea now. Really, it all depends on the number of centers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Generally, broad idea you have got. Telling.
There would be about 8 to 10,000 per year. हाँ,
My God.
all of
And all of them get jobs.
Yeah, all of them because
Needy hai.
need है ना तो चलो ले लो. It's like it's come to that condition.
And most of them learn on the job. So you equip them to learn on the job.
Yeah, more is we rely on the job training.
Yeah, but
And that
you
gives
make
the
them ready
confidence.
to learn from the job. I mean, so something is needed, no basic.
So they know the operation tray. They know the names of medicines. They know immediate emergency care for patient. थोड़ा
Can
सा-
they give simple medicine for
Yes. They
temperature?
learn. We don't do it because we don't want to get caught and.
Yeah, correct. Oh,
So it all depends on the doctor.
yeah.
So this what happened is this became a leader in the courses for women. And as the main thing about Yuva Parivartan is we are adaptable, we are innovative, we are ready to take risks, and move forward.
And scale.
Scale. So we went next into by chance when the bar dancers were put out of action because there was a rule that no women should be. All the bar dancers were at jobless and unemployed. So we tried that. They went into and we had 2 or 3 who became nurses.
Uh-huh.
We had to fight the society
Yeah.
because there are labels attached to these women. Then we went into, now we are into commercial sex workers themselves, helping them because they are looking for alternate incomes.
Do they get downgraded as Aya?
Or that?
You know, many hospitals have got nurses and Ayas.
No,
Maushi are they called?
very few, those who are not smart or
Huh.
less, क्या बोलते हैं, alert,
Yeah,
they become ayas.
I see.
But because ayas
But
also
by and large, they are
into
nurses.
nursing, because that certificate course, little bit,
Can you give me some idea as a breakdown between your nurses
yeah.
as a sociological understanding? I don't see any difference whatsoever in between them. But by so-called upper caste, lower caste, and Muslims, for example.
Muslims came in large numbers.
Is it?
Yeah, very large numbers because it's a women
It's a
oriented.
very interesting.
Yeah.
Did you check up about, normally percentage of Muslims are about 15%
Yeah.
in the population.
Yes.
Do you get as much?
No, what happened is Behrampada was nearby. And lot of girls are abandoned by their husbands because they've gone to Middle East and all that. That brought we had to bring them into the fold
Mainstream.
because they can do that job. It was safe for them. Being in a women's hospital.
Yeah, correct.
It's safe, considered
That's good.
above beautician and tailoring, nursing is their only hope of a status.
Yes, correct.
Because I saw that women were looking for status, not only income.
Yes.
I'm
Very
doing a
interesting. Very
beautician job.
interesting.
वो तो क्या,
Actually, nursing should be better than the beautician and this thing.
but so only then when you understand or you have that main thing is 8 घंटा और 12 घंटा की ड्यूटी होती है. So रात को रहना पड़ता है.
रात को night
So
duty.
that
It's
is a
obstacle.
little restraining for the family to do that. But when they see that उसको status मिलेगा, पैसा आएगा, all husbands, all families
Accept
adjust.
it. Very good. Very good.
So that
Reality.
yeah.
Wonderful.
So, yeah. Now
Anything you want to suggest something which I have not asked?
about
Any idea from your experience? Because I feel that really nursing should be
should
really multiple skilling.
no. What happened is our
That
first.
they should be even get like a barefoot doctors,
So I went into that China's barefoot doctors or nurses,
Yeah.
but it doesn't work because it doesn't. The people don't have that confidence in them. We've tried it out in one, but it didn't work.
Okay.
So what happened was we found that first we couldn't. Getting a teacher would be difficult. But the doctors having small nursing homes in
They
small
automatically
towns.
educate.
So
Very serious, very smart idea.
Vidarbha and that area, Amravati, and the doctors from small towns took it up because दोपहर को कुछ नहीं होता, and I need nurses. My other doctor friends in that area need nurses, तो मैं training दूंगा. So this became from 2 to 4 before the evening rush starts became the for doctors to teach.
Yeah.
He's had his lunch, he's had his rest, and he starts teaching.
Oh.
So,
So you have free doctors.
so we had free
teachers.
doctors and free centers because they are teaching it in their own hospital room.
Oh, I see.
This idea came when a Santa Cruz doctor said, लड़कियां बहुत है क्या, टीचर को संभाल नहीं सकती तो मेरे पास भेजो. So it was just nearby Santa Cruz East. So I started sending him, and he said from 2:30 to 4:30, I will do that. So every little innovation adds to my experience.
Very good.
That I can, and I did it in Anantnag, where 2 young doctors who had a hospital, they said, आप सिखाओ बेसिक, बाद में हमारे हॉस्पिटल में लड़कियां आके एक्चुअल practical करेंगी.
Wow.
So those two gentlemen doctors were young boys. They were about 35, 40. That was near Uri नहीं क्या बोलते थे?
In the border area.
हाँ, border, very border area. Oh, I think Uri only. About 5 kilometers from Pakistan border. There, the demand for nursing was very high. So it was nice. It feels good that you have trained somebody. She might grow into whatever कल वो करेगी.
Are there any other organizations like yours?
Other
Organizations like Yuva Parivartan who are doing this thing? Nursing
many
particularly.
have taken it up. Yeah, many have taken it up. Everybody starts with Silai classes. Then
understand.
came computers.
Yeah.
And then there was vocational training, it was called. Then the government gave it a skill development. Till then it was a dirty word. नहीं वो क्या करेगी? वो vocational training में आप सिलाई सिखाओगी, computer सिखाओ. So then that computers came and then people were ready to give you 10, 20 computers. So we started using the computers when we, in 2005 or 6, we converted our courses into CD-ROMs. Because आप उस्मानाबाद में कहीं, from Usmanabad or from Aurangabad, you are gone 30, 40 kilometers, you are not going to get a teacher of that quality. So teacher becomes a facilitator और आप वो CD-ROM लगा दो, आप भी आराम करो, आप भी सीखो और वो course.
I didn't understand what you mean the CD-ROM.
CD-ROM was like now today's videos.
Acha.
That time there was no video and all that had not come. Email also had not come. So we converted that into CD-ROMs. So the first CD-ROM we did was AC refrigeration, English speaking.
So you put on CD and people watch on the video.
Yeah.
TV.
So the teacher shows it on the computer or whatever.
Yeah.
Laptop नहीं था, computer आए थे. So I'm talking of long time back. So that is how that has progressed. And I took up pilot projects. मेरा खासियत थी कि कुछ भी नया आए ना, grab it.
Yeah.
Anybody says कि अभी ये करना है, चलो. I remember when a team came from Delhi, we all are doing so much work. Will you do rehabilitation of human traffic, rescued women and girls? So we started that. In that, the boys also have come now because boys are also human trafficked.
Yeah.
So, so the scope is immense for any NGO with passion, a focus, and honesty.
I feel this is a very inspiring words. I would like them to be focused very clearly. And I hope that can motivate more other NGOs to be involved.
Yes.
Great.
Then we went into human traffic, this thing, then survivors of rape victims, then all the homes, whether it is the Sadhans and all the Dongri home.
Yeah.
So that also started coming to us. And there are, like a nice example, which touches my heart. One girl from the Dongri home, graduate. They were all graduates, BCom and BA. So they send them to us. We taught them a little bit of computers. You don't have to become experts, as Kishore has already mentioned. एक साल का course. इनको पास time नहीं है to invest in 1 year courses. They have to want to earn from tomorrow if possible.
Very good.
So we shortened the courses and gave 1 month training. And they're working in Accenture and those kind of companies.
Wonderful.
They start at 18,000, 20,000, doesn't matter. Even I always say कि 2,000 भी मिला ना तो
correct. Because you are learning something.
And you are minus zero. You are not earning at all.
Yes.
You are dependent on your mother giving you 10 rupees per day.
Minus to plus.
Minus to plus. So even
Wonderful.
1,000 मिल रहा है ना तो ले लो. आप बहुत कम पढ़ी लिखी है ना, आपको 1,000 मिल रहा है, हाथ में लेना. You grow in that.
And grow.
That is on.
And a lot of people have grown also, no?
Yeah. So always believe that you invest in a.
Generally, there is the good enthusiasm among the girls or boys also?
Boys are difficult to mobilize. They only, now I did one course, BFSI, that is the banking, finance and all that, big thing. And they wanted only graduates. The graduates come with an attitude. मुझे 25,000 की नौकरी चाहिए. अरे आपको 10,000 भी नहीं मिलेंगे तो सीख लो, काम करो. They were all 16, 18 banks. wanting to put these students into.
But why can't you do that? Even offer the same course to the 12th pass?
No,
Why do they have to be
banks
graduate?
want.
Oh, right.
Yes, anyway, doesn't matter. But we, after 3 months pilot, we got some 25 graduates. They kept on, and it was online, on the Android phone you required, and the course is downloaded by the foundation that was teaching it. Then वो सब ड्रॉप आउट होते गए, और बाद में जो 4 मिले उसमें से 2 बोले नहीं, हमको इंटरव्यू को नहीं जाना है.
अरे?
So, नहीं, so what happens is, डर होता है. You may be dressed like शाहरुख खान, ऋतिक रोशन, नहीं, but अंदर से वो, they are very very scared, very low self esteem, because you are a failure. तो यू हैव फेल्ड एंड देन 10-12 भी हो गए. इतना लो सेल्फ एस्टीम होता है कि उसको ऊपर लाना चाहिए, इसलिए सोच का परिवर्तन आ गया. इन सोच का परिवर्तन, लो सेल्फ एस्टीम, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. अभी आर फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस, नौकरी दे दी किस ऑफिस में, उसको कुछ जाके बिल्स पैसा कलेक्ट करके लाना था. दे वांटेड अ कलेक्टर. क्या हो गया? नहीं, मैं 10 बजे गया, 9 बजे जाना था तो 10 बजे. क्या हो गया? 1 घंटा. सो दैट काइंड. देन आई सेड लेट द जॉब गो. सो दीज वर इश्यूज विथ बॉयज. दे हैव लॉट ऑफ ईगो, very high false self-esteem. So I can do anything. So to
Good.
bring them down
I think
to
girls
reality.
should overtake men, and
That is what has happened. So I always say on that Women's Day, we need male empowerment, not women. Women are self-driven.
yeah.
And one example of nursing was, one girl was a house manager in a lady's house where she had a high profile job and she used to travel a lot. She needed a girl, and her mother was the jhadu pocha and wali, and their daughter was graduate, so she took her. She was getting in those days 15,000. I'm talking of 2004 or 5.
That's
and
good.
it was a
That's
lot
good
of
salary.
money.
Yes, correct.
And that girl left that job to become a nurse. So I told her कि तुम्हें 2,000 भी नहीं मिलेगा, चलेगा? सर हाँ मैडम, स्टेटस की वैल्यू नहीं है, स्टेटस बहुत जरूरी है. मैं इधर मैनेजर हूँ, वो ड्राइवर्स को देखना, लड़की को पहुँचाना लाना, वो सब मैं घर से मैनेज करती हूँ फ़ोन पे. मोबाइल्स हैड जस्ट स्टार्टेड. पर मुझे डांट पड़ती है, बहुत वो गुस्सा करती है, और सर्वेंट जैसे. एंड आई सी माई मदर बीइंग ट्रीटेड बैडली. आई डोंट वांट टू बी दैट.
अरे वाह.
So that was another idea that I got in, that girls want to go above that.
Yes.
They don't want to be a home servant.
Yes. Home servant is the correct word.
That is how ideas grew up. And then we had to cut down our courses because mothers are saying, father is saying, कितना पढ़ देगी, पैसा कब लाएगी? ये बहुत था, whether you are married or unmarried, पैसा कब लाएगी?
Because there is a real shortage of money.
So shortage of money is there. So you had to
So they accept the women to work now. They can't say that you have to remain at home.
So
That is gone, I think. no?
yeah. So then that's how it has grown. The hospitality course has moved into LGBTQ now. We are working. We didn't even know that rescued for trafficked children.
Uh-huh.
There are about 18-20 homes only in Bombay.
I see.
Then there are Pune, Delhi. You can imagine.
That
So,
reminds me, do they have any LGBTQs?
yes, we have quite a bit.
I see. Okay, good.
And
So you are quite inclusive.
yeah.
Or
So,
in terms of caste,
thing
community,
is-
religion, and
Barabar. So what
gender.
happened is we started that government is very exclusive. It started with that. Government को क्या चाहिए था? That time ration card, भाड़ा चिट्ठी, electricity bill, then they needed school leaving certificate,
and then other.
birth certificate, and none of these had anything. So then we said we will make it totally inclusive. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ घर का पता चाहिए
हाँ.
कि कहीं भी रहते हो तो कुछ एक्सीडेंट हुआ, कुछ हो गया, So we should be able to go to that boy. At that time, there were no mobile. So we had to have a proper address in a slum.
Now things have changed.
So
now
that
everybody has
meant
mobile.
that anybody who can read and write
Very good.
and anybody who has slipped out of the education system, जो drop out है, they are at risk, children. Because we have had children from good families, middle class, lower middle class Marathi, going to a municipal school. But the need of money was so much that this boy started taking drug packets
Oh my.
and delivery. And it innocent and lovely boy. I have seen that boy coming for counseling because he knew he was doing wrong. But there was no money in the house. Father was drunkard or whatever, so not working, and the mother was making two ends meet. And he started coming to our counseling center. He was in the 8th or 9th standard. And then he said, one day he disappeared because he was being followed. Because वो बताएगा कि वो ये पुड़ी लेके जा रहा है बेचने को, and he was getting 200, 500 per day for that, which was a lot of money for the home. So those things hurt us. So our counseling department we have a book called Prakasha Se Bet, written by Anuradha Gore, about in those days, 2017, all the cases of 20 years, whatever were in existence, some stories to say ki mental hygiene is not only for the upper rich or middle class.
Yeah.
The mental hygiene is required for the lower classes equally. There depression, there is addiction.
Yeah.
So many issues are with them that we need to look at them. So we started, and I remember KM Hospital Psychiatry Department worked with us. Every year, they would take their psychiatrist students and work with us in Vadala slums, in the slums near KEM Hospital,
Very good.
to test cases of, shortlist cases of depression or addiction. So my counseling department started with one person, then added two. Now we have a ambassador who who travels to Kokonat Zato, he goes into Marathwada, he goes to Pune. Because we can't take counselors, are very expensive.
Yeah, I know.
And we did that in Delhi and all that. We have done it. And they're charging 25,000 per month. And I said, "Nee, 2,000 logi mahine ka to I can hire you." So then we started. So now we have with our, whether it is in Chhattisgarh, Raipur ka hoga ya Bhandara ka hoga, ka Surat, Valsad, once a week or once in 2 weeks, we have sessions with this from Bombay. From Mumbai, we do Zoom sessions on counseling, motivation, and upliftment of all those issues. They have problems in their homes. Married women especially face a lot of issues. So counseling in that. And we have now only one gentleman, but who travels across all these to do counseling. Because girls are not people in like Kokana Medina, in Mahad and Chiplun, and they are scared to go to work. So to bring them out, because the idea of work is glass building. They don't realize that the next door welder or the next door nursing home is your workplace. काम करने का यानी वो बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग में जाना पड़ेगा, हमारे घर वाले नहीं देंगे. तो इसलिए वो भी हटाना पड़ता है कि काउंसलिंग, वर्किंग डजंट मीन ओनली 5 स्टार. Because that is what they see on the TV.
Oh my God, yeah.
TV serial, वही देखते हैं. So man going in a car and driving to job. So these boys only dream like that. And girls dream that they'll have to go and work as clerks or something in the big, and which the men in the house don't like. पर वो next door tailor, next door motor mechanic, next door दवाई का दुकान, you can be a sales girl. That has to be understood by the parents कि काम करने दो, वो it is experience is very uplifting for the girl and the boy to step out of his security of his home and try कि 8 घंटा काम करना पड़ेगा.
Great. I feel
So
we
it's
have-
like that. There's
you
so
have put a
many
great
issues.
of wisdom. I would like to invite Kishore now to
Kishore.
sum up. Thank you very much, Ashok, Kishore, and Budal. Absolutely, a very inspiring experience.
जिंदगी को देने सेकंड चांस युवा परिवर्तन आया है